Hi, my name is Kira Davis-Weber. I am doing the Automotive Service Technology program here at Ames Community College. Automotive is something that really stood out to me because it's very hands-on, and I just really fell in love with how many opportunities there are. My experience so far at Ames has been absolutely incredible. I have been offered support around every corner for everything I could have needed, whether it be registering, getting financial help if I'm not understanding the material. Right now, I'm in steering and suspension. We're kind of working on alignments, replacing suspension parts, really diving into all the different kinds. It's a lot of tires and wheels as well. So we're going to learn how to take tires off and balance them and put them back on the wheels and things like that. Our class sizes are great. They're smaller, which is awesome because usually we work in little teams of like 3 or 4. It's been really great to get the attention that I need if I really have questions and I need help. But I also know that there are always 4 or 5 instructors in the shop at a time. If I have a question, all of them let me pick their brains just so I can get a different perspective on something, or if I'm not understanding it, I know I can go to anybody and they will take time out of their day to actually sit down with me or walk me through a vehicle and help me pull stuff apart so that way I actually understand what I'm looking at. The community has been so incredible, and the connections that I've made with my instructors, with other fellow classmates, I know that those are going to stick with me for a long time. And it's been great to know that I have an entire building that is supporting me, and I know that they're going to be there for me and they've got my back.